Brevo sending messages. Honest review. Watch before using. Most people think email marketing is outdated. You won't believe what happens next when you use the right messaging platform. Brevo is a messaging and automation platform designed to help businesses send emails, SMS, WhatsApp messages, and push notifications all from one dashboard. Brevo allows you to build automated workflows that trigger messages based on customer behavior. For example, if someone abandons a cart, Brevo can automatically send a reminder email. If they open but do not buy, it can follow up with a discount. The surprising truth about messaging is that personalized automation can increase engagement dramatically. Businesses that use automated messaging often see higher open rates and improved conversion rates compared to one-time email blasts. Brevo also includes contact management, templates, segmentation, and real-time analytics to track message performance. This platform is ideal for online stores, service businesses, and marketers who want smarter communication. If you want more opens, more clicks, and more sales, Brevo is worth considering. Subscribe now for more honest marketing tool reviews.